How to make general ledger in Excel easy method. Most people get this wrong, but creating a general ledger in Excel is easier than you think. You won't believe how quickly you can organize your financial data with a simple spreadsheet. First, open a new Excel workbook. Start by creating headers for your ledger: date, account name, description, debit, credit, and balance. These columns will track all your transactions clearly. Next, input your opening balances. For each account, enter the starting amount in the balance column. Make sure debits and credits are aligned correctly to maintain accuracy. Now, record each transaction as it happens. Enter the date, account affected, a brief description, and the debit or credit amount. Excel formulas can help automatically calculate the balance. Use a simple formula like a previous balance debit credit for each row. Organize the ledger by account type if desired. You can use Excel filters or separate sheets for assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. This makes it easier to generate reports or check totals at any time. Finally, double-check your entries. A general ledger is only useful if the data is accurate. Use Excel's sum function to verify totals and ensure debits equal credits across all accounts. In conclusion, making a general ledger in Excel involves creating headers, entering opening balances, recording transactions, and using formulas to maintain balances. With careful input and verification, your Excel ledger becomes a powerful tool to track and manage finances efficiently.